Welcome and welcome back again to my channel. I'm so excited, guys, man. Today I'm going to show you inside an African village kitchen. Kindly come with me. So guys, over here there are the 3 stones that they use for cooking, and this one is the maize. It's being roasted. You can see fire is still hot. Then over here is where they keep firewood for cooking. Of course these 3 stones they use firewood, so they put firewood here. Then they put the saucepan like this, and then food is being cooked. That's why you see the saucepans down here. There, that is salt. Salt. I don't know, something like that. I know you understand what I'm saying. And then over the roof, as you can see, over the roof you can see that is all salt. So normally some people, they can leave here corn, the one they are going to use for planting, to keep them here because rats do not normally come in the kitchen. There you can see, even there we have kept mango. So this part is for keeping certain things. Just that I think right now there's not, but right now there are nothing they are keeping. This is soda ash. They use it for making bicarbonate for cooking. Of course, this is the meal, the greens that they are going to cook for today. This one is a mortar, and I think its stick should be somewhere nearby. I'm not sure. Over here, like we were just from digging, you come and keep the hoe here like that. So that's the place where they keep the hoe after digging. And over here, this is the stuff they use for making bricks. So this, they also make bricks. Of course, this is a cutlass or panga. And over here, this is a winnower. It's a winnower. It does a lot, but normally when they have finished harvesting millet or sorghum, they do like this so that the dust or unwanted particles can go away, and then they pour it away. It's called a winnower. Then they use cow dung. This one is cow dung for smearing it to make it look nice. The same thing even with this kitchen. Also they use cow dung for smearing it. Yeah, and then over here, this is a mingling stick. This one is a mingling stick for mingling food. Basically, I think that is it. Of course, these are jerry cans. This one is a broom for sweeping the compound. Yeah, of course, umbrella. Basically, I think that is it. So the door is made out of wood, and of course this for closing, just like this. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If this is your first time here, consider subscribing. My name is JABWEL, and come back again to get more interesting videos.